today we're going to make music instrument and I got my maracus in my hand. And actually, guys, what you need to make instruments, you can use duct tape, roll paper, and a cone, and dry rice, scissors, and a bottle. That's all of you need to make an instrument. I will show you how we make. First, you need a cone, and if you don't have a cone like plastic, you can make a paper cone and put it in this bottle like that. And put some dry rice in here. There you go. And that's my daddy to help me.
This is enough.
Okay, 1, 2, guys. You just put 8 of sugar scoop in there, and there you go. And this is how the finish looks like. And you need a lid to put there. And now you can make some sounds, but not yet. First, you have a tissue roll. If you have, you can. If you don't have, you can use from the toilet, and you can cut it like that. And then, how to help. And don't forget grown up. And be careful to use scissors too. I'm gonna go up here. And this is my bottle with dry rice in it. And I just put this on like that of this bottle. And get a tape. Duct tape. And that's the tape. And that's my daddy to help. And right. Don't forget the other side that we're missing. And you can don't forget grown up to help you do this. And that. And that. And you can stand now. And you can put another tape to stand on this. It looks like so sticky. Okay, right there, like that, and just tape it all around. Just all around, and you can take it. Now this is how you make instruments. Yeah! So much noise, right? Now we are going to make a drum. Now let's start to make drum, guys. First you need just a can. Any can you have at home, and you need chopsticks. Which one you have, you can use 2 of them, and you just duct tape. And this tape, you can use any tape you want. If you don't have duct tape, you can use just more tape like that. And now let's start building. First, you need duct tape, and also don't forget parents. You need a duct tape. There you go. And
It's okay. It's okay.
Right here. Actually, you can. If you don't have any tape, you can put the can upside down. You can already make an instrument. And let's start building. Now, nice. You can make different sounds, like this sound, and after that you can make the other sound. And last one. So sticky. And don't forget parents. Then make this sound and the button sound and this sound. made a lot of different sounds. And you need chopsticks. And chopsticks you have at home that you can use. And also a cat, you can use anything. I got a green, have a band, things and colors. Beautiful. Actually, you can use color to color your can to make beautiful too if you want. And now, if you want more like this, make instrument video. Please leave me the comments below and put that bell on. And have a fun day. Bye.